Hello there, and welcome to the Sleepy Astronaut channel. I'm so glad you found your way here tonight. Maybe it's been a long day, or maybe you're simply someone who loves to fall asleep with quiet wonder, letting thoughts of distant galaxies replace the noise of earthly things. There's nothing you need to do right now but rest. Let your mind grow still, your breathing soft, and your thoughts as light as drifting starlight. Because tonight, we're not just closing our eyes, we're exploring the invisible side of the universe, dark matter. From the earliest whispers of creation to the hidden web that binds galaxies together, we'll journey through 100 sleepy facts to help you relax, unwind, and dream of the cosmos. Now, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let's begin. Fact 1. The universe's invisible half. Most of the universe cannot be seen. When we look up at the night sky, every star, every planet, every wisp of glowing gas, all of it makes up less than 5% of what truly exists. The rest is unseen, yet it holds everything in place. Dark matter does not shine, reflect, or absorb light. It whispers only through gravity, a gentle pull that keeps galaxies from drifting apart. Though invisible, its touch is everywhere, shaping the dance of stars like a quiet conductor. In that darkness, the universe finds its structure, a silent web holding light in its embrace. And so begins our journey into the unseen heart of everything. Fact 2. A mystery older than light. Before the first stars ignited, before light itself was born, dark matter was already there, silent and steady. As the newborn universe expanded, invisible particles gathered, forming the first gentle clumps of gravity. These became the anchors around which galaxies would one day bloom. Even before time took its rhythm, dark matter was sculpting the cosmic landscape. It is older than light, older than stars, a shadow that preceded every glow. If the universe were a story, dark matter would be the paper on which it was written, and within those blank, quiet pages, the galaxies began to form. Fact 3. What we cannot see yet always feel. Though we cannot see it, we feel its pull in the motion of stars. When astronomers watched galaxies spin, they noticed something strange. The stars at the edges moved too fast to be held by visible matter alone. There had to be something else, something hidden, powerful and vast. That unseen mass was named dark matter. It adds weight to the universe, shaping its rhythm, guiding its flow. We may not touch it or capture it in light, but every orbit, every swirl of cosmic dust tells us it is there. Like wind moving through trees, dark matter is felt through its influence, not its form. And everywhere it passes, the universe quietly listens. Fact 4. The weight of the unknown. When we measure the universe, the numbers don't add up. Galaxies spin too quickly, clusters of stars hold together too tightly, as if an invisible hand is cradling them from collapse. That unseen force is the weight of dark matter. It carries more mass than all visible stars combined, yet it remains completely transparent. It neither glows nor scatters light. It only tugs, quietly and constantly. Through its gravity, it sculpts the grand shape of everything, the delicate spirals of galaxies, the quiet bridges between clusters. Though we cannot touch it, dark matter is the scaffolding of existence, the silent structure upon which light is painted. It is the universe's unseen weight, the balance that makes the beauty possible. And still, It asks for no attention, only to hold everything steady. Fact 5. How darkness shapes the stars. Without dark matter, the stars we see might never have formed. In the early universe, gas and dust floated freely, too scattered to unite. But dark matter, denser and colder, gathered first, creating deep wells of gravity where ordinary matter could settle. These invisible basins became the cradles of galaxies. There, gas condensed, ignited, and gave birth to the first stars, like candles flickering within a vast, unseen cathedral. Every luminous cluster, every spiral arm, every sun that warms a distant world, all of them trace their origins to the quiet architecture of dark matter. It never shines, yet it gives light its place to shine. Even the brightest stars owe their beauty to the calm, invisible darkness beneath them. And so, in silence, the unseen gives birth to wonder. Fact 6. When scientists first noticed something missing. In the 1930s, astronomer Fritz Zwicky gazed at a distant cluster of galaxies called Coma. He noticed the galaxies were moving far too fast to stay bound together by their visible mass alone. Something invisible, he reasoned, must be providing extra gravity, an unseen glue holding the cluster intact. He called it Dunkle Materie, dark matter. At first, few believed him. The idea seemed too strange, too unprovable. But decades later, more evidence appeared. Galaxies spinning too quickly, stars orbiting too fast. Zwicky's quiet intuition had been right all along. It was as though he had glimpsed the shadow of truth before anyone else could see its light. And from that shadow, an entirely new picture of the cosmos began to form. One drawn not with brightness, but with absence. Fact 7. The clues in the motion of galaxies. When astronomers measure how galaxies move, they find an elegant but unsettling truth. The outer stars orbit too fast, as if held by invisible hands. If only visible matter existed, those stars would drift away into space. But they don't. They remain bound, circling like fireflies in a darkened dome. This stability hints at something massive, something unseen surrounding each galaxy, a halo of dark matter. It acts like a quiet guardian, holding everything together, yet revealing itself only through motion. In those spinning galaxies, scientists found the universe's most enduring whisper, that there is far more in the darkness than in the light. Every orbit, every turn, every silent spin is a message written in gravity's invisible ink. Fact 8. Vera Rubin's Quiet Revolution. In the 1970s, astronomer Vera Rubin turned her telescope toward the Andromeda Galaxy. She expected to find that stars near the edge moved more slowly than those near the center. Instead, they moved just as fast, defying every rule that light and matter had taught us. Her careful measurements confirmed what few had dared to believe. The galaxies are wrapped in halos of invisible mass. Her discovery reshaped astronomy, not with a loud explosion, but with patient, meticulous observation. She once said, "Science progresses best when observations force us to alter our preconceptions." Vera Rubin gave the universe back its balance, proving that darkness too has purpose. And though she looked into shadows, she brought a quiet light to the truth. The night sky, it turns out, holds more than we ever imagined. Fact 9. The dance that didn't add up. Galaxies move as if choreographed, their stars spinning in perfect synchrony. But when astronomers did the math, The numbers refused to agree. The visible matter wasn't enough to explain their motion. There wasn't nearly enough mass to keep them together. Something invisible was missing from the equation, unseen but undeniably present. This missing mass became one of the greatest riddles in science, proof that gravity was pulling on something we could not detect. Over time, this mystery grew into the concept of dark matter, the silent partner in the cosmic dance. It is the rhythm we cannot hear but still feel, guiding every step, every orbit, every spiral. And so the universe twirls, light and dark, seen and unseen, in perfect, eternal motion. Fact 10. The gravity of ghosts. Dark matter has often been called the gravity of ghosts. It cannot be seen, touched, or trapped, yet its pull is undeniable. It moves through everything, shaping galaxies, steering stars, even brushing through your own body right now, particle by particle, without a sound. Like an invisible wind, it leaves no mark except the quiet sway of what it moves. Astronomers map its presence not through light, but through the way it bends space-time, bending starlight as it passes. To us, it is invisible, but to gravity, it is real and ever-present. These ghostly tides weave through the cosmos endlessly, carrying galaxies along invisible currents. We live, unknowingly, inside their patient embrace, travelers held gently in the arms of the unseen. Fact 11. Matter that doesn't glow. Ordinary matter glows, reflects, or absorbs light, but dark matter does none of these things. It neither burns nor blocks, neither shines nor shadows. To telescopes, it is completely transparent, a silent ocean through which galaxies drift like lanterns on an invisible tide. And yet, though unseen, it outweighs all that glitters. Every shining nebula, every glowing sun, floats within its formless web. Scientists call it non-luminous matter, a name that sounds almost poetic, a reminder that not all that matters must shine. Dark matter's invisibility is not emptiness. It is the quiet strength behind creation. It hums without sound, holds without touch, and exists without needing to be known. Through its stillness, the universe finds its structure. A dark canvas painted with light. Fact 12. Beyond atoms and light. Everything we can touch, you, me, the stars, the air, is made of atoms. But dark matter belongs to another realm, beyond the reach of atomic light. It doesn't interact with photons, the tiny messengers that let our eyes see. To light, dark matter is simply not there. This makes it both wondrous and frustrating to study, a form of matter that obeys gravity but ignores every other rule. Physicists suspect it may be made of exotic particles, unknown to the standard model, drifting through us like whispers from another dimension. It is the universe's quiet reminder that even our deepest understanding is only a beginning. Beyond atoms and light, there are truths still waiting, unseen, patient, infinite. Fact 13. The silence between the stars. If you could strip away every star, every planet, every trace of glowing gas, most of the universe would still remain. That quiet residue, unseen and untouchable, is dark matter. It fills the great spaces between galaxies, forming vast halos where nothing shines. In those silent stretches, gravity hums softly, keeping cosmic order intact. Dark matter doesn't sparkle or shout. It merely is, an endless, patient presence holding all things in balance. It's the stillness beneath the song of the stars, the foundation beneath light's fragile dance. When you look into the night sky, remember, the darkness you see is not empty. It is full of quiet strength, invisible motion, and the calm that holds eternity together. Fact 14. Shadows that bend space. Though dark matter gives off no light, it can still reveal itself by the way it bends it. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that mass warps space, even invisible mass. When starlight passes through a region thick with dark matter, it curves like light through water. This is gravitational lensing, the universe's subtle fingerprint of the unseen. Astronomers use this cosmic trick to map dark matter, tracing its presence through bent and distorted galaxies. What we see is not the matter itself, but its effect on the light of others. It's as if the cosmos wears an invisible veil, gently tugging the threads of light as they travel. Even in silence, dark matter leaves a trace, a quiet distortion, reminding us it's there. Fact 15. Invisible glue of the cosmos. Imagine the universe without dark matter. Galaxies would unravel, stars would drift apart, and the cosmic web would dissolve into scattered light. It is dark matter that holds everything together, like an unseen glue-binding creation. From the smallest clusters to the grandest superstructures, its gravity knits the universe into harmony. It keeps stars circling within galaxies, galaxies within clusters, and clusters within vast filaments of cosmic design. This invisible glue is neither cold nor cruel. It is steady, patient, eternal. It asks for no recognition, no light, no voice. It exists simply to connect, to cradle, to hold. And so, as galaxies spin and stars burn out, dark matter remains, the quiet bond that keeps the cosmos whole. Fact 16. What dark matter is not. To understand dark matter, scientists first had to rule out what it isn't. It's not made of the atoms that build our bodies or the stars. It's not dust, planets, black holes, or any form of ordinary matter that absorbs or reflects light. It doesn't give off radiation or heat. It's utterly silent. It is also not antimatter, which annihilates when it meets its opposite. Nor is it dark energy, the force that drives the universe's expansion. Dark matter is something entirely separate, something we can only sense through its gravity. In a way, it's defined by its absence, a puzzle piece we can feel but never see. And sometimes, what something is not can tell us the most about what it might truly be. Fact 17. The cold, the warm, and the hot. Scientists describe dark matter in three poetic temperatures: cold, warm, and hot, not by heat, but by movement. Cold dark matter moves slowly, allowing it to clump and form galaxies, much like gentle fog gathering in valleys. Warm dark matter drifts faster, smoothing out some of those clumps. Hot dark matter, made of swift, light particles, would race through the universe too quickly to build structure at all. Most evidence suggests our universe is shaped by the cold kind, calm, steady, and ancient. It drifted quietly through the early cosmos, letting galaxies bloom in its wake. Cold dark matter is the universe's patient artist, drawing the web of creation in invisible lines. Through stillness, it gave rise to everything bright, a lesson written in gravity and silence. Fact 18. Particles from another realm. If dark matter isn't made of atoms, then what is it made of? Physicists believe it may consist of particles from a realm beyond the familiar, strange, ghost-like entities that barely touch our world. They pass through planets, people, and stars without leaving a trace. One idea is that these particles have their own secret forces hidden from light. Another suggests they were born in the first moments after the Big Bang, when the universe was dense and wild. They could be countless in number, forming a shadow version of the universe beside our own. We may never see them directly, but through their gravity, they reveal themselves. Each particle a whisper, each cluster a quiet chorus, shaping everything we know from a dimension forever unseen. Fact 19. The WIMP hypothesis. One of the leading ideas about dark matter is the WIMP, the weakly interacting massive particle. WIMPs are thought to be heavy, invisible particles that pass through ordinary matter almost entirely unnoticed. They rarely collide with atoms, perhaps only once in a trillion years, making them impossibly hard to detect. If they exist, WIMPs could explain how galaxies hold together and why gravity behaves the way it does. They would have formed in the early universe, cooling into vast, unseen oceans that cradle the stars. Experiments deep underground wait in silence for a single WIMP to strike, hoping to catch a faint whisper of the unseen. For now, none have appeared. But the patience of the searchers mirrors the patience of the universe itself, quiet, steady, and unending. Fact 20. The search for axions. Another possible candidate for dark matter is the axion, a particle so light and elusive that trillions may pass through you every second without a trace. Axions were first imagined to solve a mystery in particle physics, but soon became one of the most elegant explanations for dark matter's existence. They don't interact with light or matter in normal ways, yet under the right conditions, they might transform into photons, small flickers of light, inside powerful magnetic fields. Experiments like ADMX listen for those faint conversions, like tuning an antenna to the whispers of the cosmos. If discovered, axions would change our understanding of both matter and light. They would show that even the quietest particles can shape the grandest structures of the universe. Fact 21. Mapping the unseen. How do you map something that cannot be seen? Astronomers use light itself as a tool, not from dark matter, but from the galaxies it surrounds. By observing how starlight bends and stretches as it travels through space, they can trace the outlines of the invisible. These gravitational lensing maps reveal dark matter's vast structures, filaments, clusters, and halos woven through the cosmos. It forms a web-like network, a skeleton upon which galaxies cling like dew on threads of silk. Each new map brings us closer to understanding the shape of the unseen, and though the picture remains incomplete, it reminds us that darkness is not emptiness. It is design, it is balance, it is beauty hidden beyond light. Fact 22. The cosmic web revealed. When scientists map the universe on its grandest scales, they find it shaped like a web, vast threads of galaxies stretching across unimaginable distances. Between those glowing filaments lie immense voids, nearly empty, silent as frozen seas. What forms the framework of this web is not light, but dark matter. It gathers along invisible highways of gravity, guiding ordinary matter to settle where its pull is strongest. The galaxies we see are simply the bright beads along those dark threads. Without dark matter, the universe would be a scattered mist. No structure, no clusters, no home for stars. This cosmic web is a masterpiece of balance, a bridge between light and shadow, where darkness builds the stage for light to perform its endless dance. Fact 23. filaments of darkness. If you could step back far enough to see the universe as a whole, you'd see something astonishing. A lacework of glowing galaxies suspended in invisible strands of dark matter. These filaments stretch for millions of light years, connecting clusters of galaxies like bridges of gravity. Each thread is unimaginably massive, yet utterly unseen. They carry the weight of countless suns, forming the hidden highways of the cosmos. Along them, galaxies are born, drift, and collide, shaping the story of cosmic evolution. Dark matter's filaments are not static. They breathe, shift, and grow over billions of years, sculpting the very framework of existence. Through them, light finds its path, stars find their place, and the universe finds its form. A silent, graceful web spun from shadow. Fact 24. Where galaxies gather. Galaxies are not scattered randomly through space. They gather like leaves caught in the gentle eddies of a stream. Those currents are made of dark matter. Its invisible gravity pulls galaxies together into clusters, superclusters, and long chains that span the universe. Where dark matter is densest, galaxies bloom like flowers in fertile soil. And in the wide spaces where dark matter is thin, the universe becomes a quiet desert of light. These patterns reveal a hidden harmony, the balance between presence and emptiness, gravity and grace. Every cosmic city, every spiral arm, every glowing world owes its position to this unseen architecture. Dark matter does not simply fill the universe, it organizes it, turning chaos into quiet order and darkness into design. Fact 25. The empty voids between. Between the cosmic filaments lie vast hollow spaces, the voids of the universe. They stretch across hundreds of millions of light years, nearly empty of galaxies, quiet as frozen seas. But even here, in the darkness between the threads, dark matter lingers, faint, diffuse, and patient. These voids are not truly empty. They are the calm between cosmic storms. Their stillness shapes the rhythm of expansion, balancing the dense regions where galaxies thrive. Like pauses in music, they give the universe its depth and breadth. Within their silence, light travels unbent, stars drift unanchored, and gravity loosens its gentle hold. They remind us that even absence has meaning, that the spaces between things can be as beautiful as the things themselves. Fact 26. How dark matter builds galaxies. Galaxies are born where dark matter gathers most densely. In the early universe, these clumps became wells of gravity, drawing in gas and dust from all directions. As the gas cooled, it condensed and lit up. The first stars ignited within dark halos. Each galaxy we see today still sits inside one of those halos, like a lantern floating in an unseen sea. Dark matter doesn't just hold galaxies together. It built the blueprint for where they would exist at all. Without it, stars might never have found each other. It is the unseen architect, shaping, supporting, and sustaining the luminous structures of the universe. Every glowing spiral, every shimmering cluster, began as a whisper in the dark. Fact 27. The skeleton of the universe. Astronomers often call dark matter the cosmic skeleton, the invisible framework upon which all creation rests. Galaxies cling to its filaments like flesh upon bone, tracing the silent pattern of its gravity. Through simulations and lensing maps, scientists can see this hidden structure take form, a universe made not of light, but of outlines. This skeleton gives shape to everything we know, the clustering of galaxies, the flow of cosmic time, the great web of connections stretching across space. It is strong but unseen, ancient yet ever-changing. Without it, the universe would have no shape, just scattered light, lost to the void. Dark matter is the quiet architecture of existence, the unseen geometry that holds the stars like pearls on invisible strings. Fact 28. The dark halos around us. Every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, floats within a vast invisible sphere of dark matter called a halo. These halos are immense, extending far beyond the visible edge of a galaxy, like an unseen cocoon of gravity. Inside them, stars, planets, and nebulae orbit in harmony, bound by the silent pull of the unseen. Though we can't observe the halo directly, its presence is revealed in the way stars move. Faster, steadier, and more secure than light alone can explain. It's as if the Milky Way swims in a great invisible ocean, held together by its quiet depths. Every night when you look up, remember, above you lies not just starlight, but the patient halo that keeps our galaxy whole. Fact 29. Lensing, seeing without seeing. Dark matter cannot be seen, yet it can make itself known through a beautiful trick of gravity called gravitational lensing. When light from a distant galaxy passes near a region filled with dark matter, its path bends, like sunlight curving through rippling water. To us, the image appears stretched, warped, or even multiplied. These distortions let astronomers map the invisible. By studying how light bends, they can trace the outlines of dark matter's hidden presence, its invisible fingerprints across the sky. It's as though the cosmos paints its unseen structures through the subtle brushstrokes of bent starlight. In this quiet bending of light, the universe whispers its secrets. Through distortion, we find truth. Through shadows, we glimpse the shape of the unseen. Fact 30. Light bent by shadows. In space, even darkness has weight. When light from distant galaxies travels across the cosmos, it doesn't move in a straight line. It is gently pulled and curved by the gravity of dark matter, the invisible hand guiding its path. This bending creates arcs, rings, and shimmering echoes of galaxies far beyond our reach, a phenomenon known as Einstein rings. They are among the most delicate proofs of dark matter's existence, showing us how invisible mass sculpts the light of the universe. Through these cosmic shadows, we see the unseen, light and dark performing together in perfect harmony. It's a reminder that even what hides in silence can shape what shines. The darkness does not erase the light, it gives it form. Fact 31. The slow whirl of stars. When we gaze upon a spiral galaxy, we see stars tracing luminous arms that curl gracefully through space. But their motion holds a quiet mystery. The outer stars move far too fast to be bound by visible matter alone. Instead of slowing with distance, their orbits remain steady, as though something unseen steadies their path. That something is dark matter, forming a massive halo that extends well beyond the galaxy's glowing rim. It balances the spin, holds the spiral together, and gives the stars their smooth, silent rhythm. Without dark matter's hidden hand, galaxies would scatter like leaves in the wind, but instead they dance, calm, poised, eternal, drifting through the cosmic night to a song only gravity can hear. Fact 32. The Milky Way's hidden halo. Our Milky Way, too, drifts within an invisible shroud, stretching hundreds of thousands of light years beyond the furthest stars. This dark matter halo surrounds us completely. It is far larger than the galaxy itself, a soft, gravitational ocean in which all of us float. Every orbit of the sun, every spiral arm's gentle turn, owes its stability to this unseen sea. Without it, the Milky Way would unravel, its stars set adrift into endless space. Yet the halo is not empty. It teems with unseen particles moving quietly through us, through Earth, through all things. It's humbling to know that we live within something vast and invisible, a cradle made of silence. Even in darkness, we are held. Fact 33. Streams of darkness flowing through space. Dark matter doesn't sit still, it flows. Across the galaxy, invisible rivers of it drift through the stars, looping and curving along gravity's hidden paths. Some of these streams pass directly through our solar system, silent currents moving faster than any comet or planet. Earth drifts through them as it orbits the sun, bathed in a gentle tide of unseen matter. Each particle is harmless, yet together they form the great circulatory system of the cosmos, carrying mass, motion, and memory across the universe. Though we cannot see these streams, their effects ripple through galaxies like a slow cosmic heartbeat. They remind us that even darkness has movement, that the unseen still flows endlessly and beautifully through everything we know. Fact 34. A river of particles around Earth. As Earth travels around the sun, it moves through a vast, unseen current of dark matter. Billions of particles flow through us every second, ghostly travelers that ignore atoms, slipping through the planet as though it weren't there at all. They carry no charge, no spark, no sound. Yet their collective gravity shapes everything we see. Detectors buried deep underground listen for their faintest whispers. A single collision that could reveal the universe's invisible sea. So far, none have spoken, but silence itself is part of the mystery. Each night, as you sleep, the Earth sails on, drifting through this silent river of the unknown. We are passengers on a world bathed in darkness, surrounded by something vast, invisible, and endlessly patient. Fact 35. The way galaxies spin and stay whole. A galaxy is a miracle of motion. Billions of stars, dust clouds, and worlds all spinning together without flying apart. By the laws of visible gravity, such balance shouldn't exist. The outer stars move too quickly. They should drift into space like sparks from a fire. But they don't. They remain bound, circling endlessly, guided by something unseen. That invisible mass, dark matter, acts like an anchor beneath the waves, its gravity holding every star in place. It gives galaxies weight, coherence, and time. Each spin of a spiral arm is a testament to dark matter's silent order. It is the reason the universe does not dissolve into chaos, the reason the stars can dance without falling. The unseen, it seems, is what keeps everything from unraveling. Fact 36. Collisions of invisible clouds. Even dark matter, as quiet as it is, can collide, not in flashes of light, but through the meeting of vast, ghostly clouds. When galaxies crash together, their stars mostly pass unharmed, but their dark matter halos merge and ripple through one another like mist. Astronomers have seen this cosmic ballet in clusters like the Bullet Cluster, where visible matter lags behind while dark matter glides ahead. It shows that the unseen has mass, momentum, and grace, obeying its own hidden choreography. These invisible collisions shape the large-scale structure of the cosmos. weaving new patterns of gravity across time. They are the universe's quiet embraces, where even shadows merge, blending their weight into something more whole. In those moments, the darkness itself seems alive, moving, touching, creating anew. Fact 37. The bullet cluster's cosmic proof. Far away, in the constellation Carina, two galaxy clusters once collided in a grand, silent crash, an event called the bullet cluster. When astronomers studied it, they saw something remarkable. The hot gas from the collision slowed down and glowed, but the mass, the gravity, kept moving forward. This revealed that most of the cluster's mass was invisible. Dark matter had passed through unscathed, separating from ordinary matter and leaving its fingerprint behind in the bending of light. It became one of the clearest pieces of evidence that dark matter is real. Not just theory, but presence. In that quiet cosmic collision, the universe whispered its secret. Light may show us where things glow, but gravity shows us where things are. Fact 38. When darkness passes through darkness. Imagine two invisible clouds drifting through one another, never colliding, never slowing, only merging through gravity's soft pull. That is how dark matter interacts with itself, not through touch, but through influence. When galaxies collide, their dark halos pass through each other like ghostly veils. Scientists study these encounters to learn whether dark matter might have its own secret forces, whether it whispers to itself in ways we cannot hear. So far, it seems almost perfectly aloof, content simply to pull, to shape, to hold. Even in collision, dark matter remains gentle, silent, calm. It reminds us that not all power is loud. Sometimes strength lies in stillness, in the grace of two unseen worlds gliding through one another, unseen but essential in the endless dark. Fact 39. How simulations reveal the unseen. In supercomputers across the world, scientists create entire universes made of data. They fill them with equations of gravity and time, allowing virtual dark matter to swirl, collapse, and form galaxies just as the real one does. When the simulation runs, it reveals a breathtaking sight, a glowing web of light tracing the outlines of invisible mass. These models match the universe we see through telescopes, proving that the unseen truly sculpts the visible. From a handful of laws in a sea of mystery, a cosmos emerges, structured, delicate, and vast. Dark matter gives these digital worlds their skeleton, just as it does our own. Even in the silence of numbers, it speaks the same truth, that the universe is built not only on what shines, but on what holds the light in place. Fact 40. The calm chaos beneath the light. Every galaxy, every cluster, every shimmering thread of the universe rests upon a foundation of invisible motion. Dark matter is not still. It flows, collides, and curves space in quiet harmony. Beneath the vibrant dance of stars lies a deeper rhythm, steady and unseen. Astronomers call this the dark scaffolding of the cosmos, a calm chaos that gives rise to cosmic order. It moves in silence, shaping storms of starlight and rivers of galaxies, yet never revealing itself directly. If the universe were a song, dark matter would be its low, sustaining note, the sound you don't hear, but would miss if it vanished. It is presence disguised as absence, power disguised as peace, the heartbeat beneath creation's glow. Fact 41. Deep underground detectors. Far beneath mountains and deserts, scientists have built laboratories where sunlight cannot reach. Inside these caverns sit tanks of pure liquid xenon, cooled and shielded from the world. They wait in utter silence, hoping that one particle of dark matter will collide with an atom, a tiny flicker that could rewrite physics. These experiments, like Lux and Xenon NT, listen for whispers in the dark. Years pass with no sound, no flash, no signal, only patience. But patience is how science dreams. Every moment of quiet brings us closer to understanding the universe's invisible soul. In those deep chambers beneath miles of stone, humanity listens to the cosmos itself, waiting for darkness to speak. And perhaps one day, it will. Fact 42. Waiting for a silent collision. The search for dark matter is an act of faith in the unseen. Every detector on Earth waits for the faintest tap, a single particle brushing against ordinary matter. It would release a flash of light smaller than a heartbeat, yet it would change everything we know. These collisions are so rare, they may happen once in a million years within a single detector. Still, scientists wait, refining their instruments, lowering the noise, deepening the quiet. Each moment of stillness is part of the experiment, a meditation in patience. They are listening not for noise, but for meaning, for the one quiet signal that will reveal the universe's hidden mass. In that silence, science and wonder become the same thing, the act of believing that darkness too can speak. Fact 43. The cryogenic chambers of hope. Deep underground, in the quietest places on Earth, lie chambers colder than the emptiness of space. These are the cryogenic detectors, built to search for dark matter. Inside, liquid xenon and argon are chilled to near absolute zero, so even the faintest vibration, a passing particle, a cosmic whisper, can be felt. Scientists tend these chambers with devotion, shielding them from noise, radiation, and light. They wait for a spark that may never come, a single perfect interaction between dark and visible matter. Even in their stillness, these chambers embody hope. Each drop of silence is a promise that the universe will one day reveal its hidden half. Until then, the detectors rest like dreaming mirrors, reflecting the patience of those who built them. Fact 44. Listening to the void. The search for dark matter is not only a scientific pursuit, it's an art of listening. Astronomers and physicists tune their instruments to the quietest frequencies, the faintest ripples, the smallest hints of gravity's touch. They are listening to the void, not for sound, but for absence. In radio telescopes, underground chambers, and orbiting observatories, humanity leans close to the cosmos, asking the same gentle question: are you there? Sometimes the answer is a flicker of data, sometimes it's silence, both equally beautiful. The void is not empty, it's full of secrets waiting to be heard. And in that listening, we learn something deeper, that the act of curiosity is itself a form of connection. Even the dark listens back, in its own quiet way. Fact 45. When nothing happens, and that's data. In the search for dark matter, even nothing is meaningful. Each year that passes without a signal helps scientists rule out what dark matter might be. Every quiet night in a detector's life narrows the possibilities, refining our understanding of the unseen. This patient accumulation of silence is its own kind of discovery. It teaches humility, that not all progress shines, and not all truth comes quickly. Sometimes science advances not through flashes of revelation, but through years of quiet elimination. When nothing happens, the universe is still speaking, just softly in the language of absence. And so the watchers keep waiting, their faith steady as gravity itself. For in a cosmos built on mystery, even silence counts as knowledge. Fact 46. The LUX and Xenon experiments. In caverns beneath South Dakota and the mountains of Italy, two of humanity's most sensitive instruments lie in wait: Lux, Zeppelin, and Xenont. They are vast tanks filled with liquid xenon, so pure that even a single atom of impurity would cloud the search. When a particle strikes, it may produce a faint flash, the smallest shimmer in all creation. Most nights nothing stirs. The chambers remain perfectly still, their silence as deep as interstellar space. Yet within that stillness lies possibility, the dream that one day a lone dark matter particle will reveal itself. These experiments are not just machines, they are acts of patience carved into stone. Humanity's quiet ears pressed against the universe, waiting for the softest sound ever made. Fact 47. CERN's Quiet Quest. Beneath the fields of Switzerland, the Large Hadron Collider hums softly beneath the Earth. It is the most powerful scientific instrument ever built, smashing particles together at nearly the speed of light. Among its many goals lies one of the quietest ambitions: to create, or at least glimpse, a dark matter particle. When two protons collide, they release a storm of energy and fragments. If some energy vanishes without a trace, it may mean a dark particle has slipped away, invisible but undeniable. Scientists call these events missing energy. In the language of physics, missing energy can be the loudest silence of all. At CERN, they search not just for what appears, but for what disappears, the subtle footprints of darkness itself. Fact 48. Hunting shadows with light. To find what cannot be seen, scientists turn to light, bending, focusing, and measuring it in every possible way. They watch how galaxies distort starlight, how clusters shift its path, how cosmic microwave radiation ripples across the sky. Every faint glow becomes a clue, every distortion a whisper from the invisible. Through this, we've learned that dark matter forms a vast network stretching through the entire universe. It leaves no light of its own, but its gravity sculpts the brightness of others, painting the unseen through what shines. It is a strange and beautiful paradox. We hunt shadows by studying light. And in that delicate balance, we find the poetry of the cosmos, that even in darkness, illumination exists. Fact 49. The power of patience. The search for dark matter is a lesson in time. Years, even decades, may pass without a single confirmed signal, yet the search never stops. Every generation of scientists builds upon the last, refining detectors, deepening silence and expanding imagination. Patience here is not waiting idly. It is a form of listening. Each failed attempt is a map, narrowing where the truth might be hiding. The universe, vast and ancient, reveals its secrets slowly, and dark matter is one of its quietest mysteries. Science, like the cosmos, rewards those who endure. And in that patience lies a kind of beauty, the understanding that discovery is not a destination, but a rhythm, a slow pulse, steady as gravity, that reminds us we're part of something eternal. Fact 50. How each failure brings us closer. In science, failure is not the end, it's the path. Every experiment that finds nothing teaches us where not to look, tightening the circle around truth. dark matter's elusiveness sharpens our questions, humbles our certainty, and fuels innovation in the quietest ways. Each no whispers something valuable. This energy range is wrong, that particle too heavy, that theory incomplete. Like sculptors chipping away at marble, scientists remove everything that isn't truth until only the shape of the real remains. In the hush of every null result, the universe is still speaking, just softly, through absence. Every failed attempt is a lantern, guiding us closer to the unseen. In darkness, progress glows faintly, quiet, steady, and unstoppable. Fact 51. When the universe was young. Long before galaxies spun or stars were born, the universe was a dense, glowing mist of energy. Amid that brightness, dark matter drifted unseen, cold, quiet, and waiting. While ordinary matter scattered light and heat, dark matter moved through it like shadow through flame. Its gravity began to pull, forming the first clumps that would one day cradle galaxies. Even before light found its rhythm, darkness had already built the stage upon which creation would unfold. It did not shine, but it gave light somewhere to gather. It did not speak, but it gave sound something to echo through. In the beginning, darkness was not absence. It was foundation, the quiet blueprint of everything that would one day glow. Fact 52. The seeds of cosmic structure. In the early universe, everything was nearly uniform, a warm, glowing fog stretching endlessly. But tiny fluctuations existed, like ripples on still water. Dark matter gathered within these ripples, drawn together by its own quiet gravity. Those small seeds became the skeletons of galaxies, the roots from which the cosmos would grow. Over billions of years, these dark seeds expanded, forming filaments and nodes where light could later bloom. The stars and worlds we know today are just bright blossoms on those ancient, invisible vines. Even now, when we look at the night sky, we see the reflection of those first patterns, tiny imperfections that became perfection itself. The universe's grand design began not with brilliance, but with the patient gathering of shadows. Fact 53. How dark matter guided the first galaxies. When the first stars began to ignite, dark matter had already set the stage. Its invisible gravity created vast wells into which ordinary matter fell, swirling, cooling, and kindling the first bursts of starlight. These dark halos became the nurseries of galaxies, unseen hands cradling the newborn universe. Without dark matter, gas would have remained scattered, unable to settle or shine. But because of it, the cosmos began to organize, gathering light like dew on a spider's web. Each galaxy that formed was a collaboration between darkness and light, gravity's quiet balance at play. Even now, every glowing cluster, every spiral and sphere owes its grace to that early guidance. Dark matter didn't just shape galaxies, it taught the universe how to gather itself into beauty. Fact 54. The Age of Reionization. After the Big Bang, the universe entered a long, quiet darkness. No stars yet burned, no galaxies yet glowed. It was dark matter that patiently guided hydrogen into dense regions, where the first stars finally flared to life. Their light reawakened the cosmos, transforming fog into clarity, an era we call reionization. This awakening was gentle but profound. Light once again traveled freely, revealing the structure dark matter had built in silence. It was as if the universe had taken its first breath, inhaling radiance after eons of shadow. That light still echoes today, stretching across time as the faint cosmic background we can detect. And behind it, the quiet hand of dark matter remains, the unseen sculptor of the dawn. Fact 55. The quiet foundation of creation. Before stars, before galaxies, before light, there was structure. Dark matter had already woven an invisible lattice across space, its gravity shaping where everything else would someday form. It was the quiet foundation upon which creation could begin. Ordinary matter, glowing and restless, settled into this unseen framework like mist filling valleys. Every bright point we see in the sky is perched upon this hidden scaffolding. Without it, the cosmos would have been formless, light scattered into nothingness. Dark matter's stillness gave the universe a place to grow. It is the calm beneath the storm of creation, the silent floor upon which the music of existence began. Even now, all we see dances upon the stage it built in shadow. Fact 56. The long night before the stars. After the Big Bang came a vast silent era, the cosmic dark ages. The universe had expanded and cooled, and light could no longer travel freely. For hundreds of millions of years, no stars burned, no galaxies shone, but dark matter was already at work, pulling invisible threads together, shaping the first gravitational wells. It was a patient sculptor, preparing the stage for the lights yet to come. When the first stars finally ignited, they did so within its embrace, guided by unseen hands. This long night was not emptiness, it was anticipation, the darkness before dawn, rich with potential. The universe was waiting to wake, and dark matter was its steady heartbeat, keeping time in silence. Fact 57. Dark matter through billions of years. Across billions of years, dark matter has remained unchanged. While stars are born and die and galaxies twist and collide, dark matter endures, calm, invisible, eternal. It does not decay, burn, or fade. It simply continues to shape space through its gravity. As the universe expands, dark matter drifts with it, stretching the great web that connects galaxies like strands of silk in the wind. Every cluster, every star, every planet still moves according to its quiet will. Through time's endless flow, dark matter is the constant, the silent witness to every era, from the first sparks of creation to the last whisper of light. Even when stars grow cold, its presence will remain. The unseen rhythm of the cosmos, unbroken, unending. Fact 58. Silent shaper of the cosmic web. Across the grand expanse of time, dark matter has been the universe's silent architect. Its gravity draws galaxies together, forming clusters that link across millions of light years, weaving the intricate cosmic web. Through its pull, it balances chaos and order, giving the cosmos its vast, delicate geometry. Without dark matter's steady guidance, galaxies would scatter like dust in the wind. Instead, they gather into graceful patterns, filaments, nodes, and swirling bridges of starlight. Though unseen, dark matter defines the very shape of reality. It is the brushstroke that cannot be seen, yet without it, the painting would not exist. The universe is both a sculpture and a song, and dark matter is the rhythm that holds it all together. Fact 59. What if it decays over time? Some scientists wonder if dark matter might not be eternal after all. Could it slowly decay, transforming into lighter, invisible particles across cosmic time? If so, its gradual fading would leave faint traces, a whisper of energy glowing through the emptiness. So far, we've found no proof, only theories that drift like distant stars of thought. But the question lingers. What would happen to the universe if its invisible scaffolding began to weaken? Galaxies might drift apart more easily, their graceful balance loosening over eons. It's a haunting but beautiful idea that even darkness changes. And perhaps, like stars and life itself, it too has a cycle: to form, to hold, and eventually, to let go. For even in cosmic silence, impermanence may be the universe's truest law. Fact 60. Eternity in the shadows. Whether it fades or lasts forever, dark matter is the thread that binds time itself. It connects the first atoms of creation to the galaxies still forming today. In every era, in every corner of space, its presence endures, invisible, unwavering, serene. Dark matter does not age or shine, but its influence stretches across eternity. It has watched the rise of stars, the birth of worlds, the quiet turning of galaxies. It has been there through every ending and every beginning, unchanged and ever patient. It is the universe's shadow, always there, always beneath the light. And perhaps when all brightness fades and time grows still, dark matter will remain, a final whisper of existence, holding the memory of everything that ever was. Fact 61. Supersymmetry's silent promise. In physics, there's a beautiful idea called supersymmetry, the notion that every known particle has a hidden partner. If true, these partners might explain dark matter. Among them, the neutralino is a favorite candidate, invisible, massive, and stable enough to survive from the dawn of time. Supersymmetry suggests that the universe is more balanced than we see, with matter and its unseen reflections woven together in harmony. Though we've yet to find proof, the theory carries an elegance that feels almost poetic. It promises that nature hides symmetry even in darkness, that what we cannot see still completes what we can. Perhaps one day, beneath the hum of a collider or the silence of a detector, we'll glimpse that hidden half, the mirror that gives reality its depth. Fact 62. The hidden dimensions. Some scientists believe dark matter may not belong to our familiar three-dimensional world at all. Instead, it might drift through hidden dimensions, unseen layers of space folded beside our own. To us, its gravity leaks through like an echo, shaping our universe from beyond the veil. In this view, dark matter isn't just invisible, it's elsewhere, moving through a higher reality we can barely imagine. Our instruments can feel its pull but not its presence, like hearing footsteps in another room with no door between. This idea doesn't diminish the mystery, it deepens it. It suggests that the universe may be larger and more layered than our minds can hold. Perhaps in every shadow, there are more worlds than one, overlapping, unseen, yet intertwined. Fact 63. The mirror universe. Hypothesis. Imagine a universe alongside ours, not opposite but parallel, hidden within the same cosmic space. In this mirror universe, every particle has a twin, a mirror electron, mirror atom, mirror star. It doesn't glow in our light, but it might shimmer in its own. Some physicists believe dark matter could be made of this mirrored world, matter that interacts through forces we can't detect. It would move through us silently, gravity the only bridge between the two realities. If true, our cosmos is not alone but doubled, two reflections sharing one frame. And perhaps when we gaze into the deep dark of space, we are not looking into emptiness, but into the faint reflection of another universe, hidden in plain sight. Fact 64. Primordial black holes. Some scientists wonder if dark matter might not be particles at all, but ancient primordial black holes, born in the first seconds after the Big Bang. Tiny yet immensely dense, these objects could drift through space unnoticed, bending light but never shining. If they exist, they might be as small as mountains or as light as dust, scattered through every corner of the cosmos. Their gravity could account for the missing mass, their silent presence shaping galaxies just as dark matter does. It's a haunting thought that the universe might be filled with black holes too faint to see, relics of creation itself, little pockets of time and gravity, moving through eternity, unseen, unending, and quietly powerful. Fact 65. Modified gravity or something more. Not everyone believes in dark matter. Some scientists suggest that maybe gravity itself behaves differently on cosmic scales. This idea, called modified Newtonian dynamics, proposes that space bends more than expected, that galaxies stay together not because of unseen matter, but because gravity stretches its rules in the vastness. It's a daring thought that perhaps the laws of physics aren't broken, just more flexible than we knew. Yet, so far, this theory struggles to explain the grand patterns we see, the lensing, the cosmic web. Whether dark matter exists or gravity changes, the mystery remains the same. The universe is whispering something we don't yet understand, and listening to that whisper may be the most human thing we do. Fact 66. The dark sector theory. What if dark matter isn't alone? Some physicists believe it could belong to an entire dark sector, a hidden world with its own particles, forces, and maybe even its own kind of light. In this shadow realm, galaxies of dark matter might interact, collide, and evolve just as ours do. Invisible to our eyes, but real nonetheless. We would share the universe with an unseen twin, two layers of existence intertwined, each shaping the other through gravity. Our cosmos, then, would be a duet of realities, one bright, one silent. This idea stretches imagination and science alike, reminding us that darkness may not be emptiness, but fullness, a vast unseen universe humming beside our own. Fact 67. What if it talks to itself? For most of its history, dark matter has been thought to be silent, interacting only through gravity. But some scientists wonder if it might talk to itself through forces invisible to us. Perhaps dark matter particles collide, attract, or even form structures within their own hidden world. This idea, called self-interacting dark matter, could explain why galaxies' cores seem smoother and gentler than pure gravity predicts. It suggests that even in the dark, relationships exist, unseen connections shaping unseen realms. If true, the universe is not just shadowed, but social, filled with quiet interactions we cannot hear. A cosmic conversation whispered in a language older than light, echoing softly through the spaces between stars. Fact 68. Quantum fields of darkness. In the strange world of quantum physics, everything, even empty space, is alive with invisible fields. Some scientists believe dark matter could be a quantum field that gently vibrates across the cosmos. Instead of tiny particles, it would be a smooth, all-pervading presence, like a deep ocean that ripples when disturbed. These fluctuations could create halos around galaxies, shaping their motion with perfect quiet. Such a theory transforms dark matter from a collection of things into a single cosmic mood, a unified field humming softly through time. It's a poetic vision that the darkness between stars isn't empty, but musical, a symphony of invisible waves, calm and continuous, giving structure to the universe's silent song. Fact 69. The fifth force that isn't seen. We know four fundamental forces shape the universe: gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. But what if there's a fifth force, hidden in the dark, one that only dark matter can feel? This mysterious force might let dark particles interact in ways our instruments cannot sense, forming their own complex systems, perhaps even their own version of chemistry. We would never see it directly, yet its effects could ripple across the universe like faint harmonies beneath a louder song. If such a force exists, it would mean nature still holds entire chapters unwritten. And maybe in that unseen force, we would find that the cosmos has more ways to connect than we've ever imagined. Threads of unity woven even through the dark. Fact 70. When physics meets imagination. At the edge of knowledge, physics begins to blur into poetry. Dark matter exists in that hazy border, part science, part dream. Equations can describe its gravity, but not its essence. Telescopes can trace its pull, but not its form. And so scientists imagine, not as fantasy, but as exploration. Each theory, from hidden dimensions to mirror universes, is a candle flickering in the dark, trying to reveal what reality still conceals. Perhaps that's the beauty of dark matter. It reminds us that even in our most advanced understanding, mystery survives. When physics meets imagination, discovery begins. And somewhere between numbers and wonder, the universe smiles, content to keep some of its secrets soft and unseen. Fact 71. Passing through your body right now. Every moment, billions of dark matter particles pass through you, and you never feel a thing. They drift through walls, mountains, oceans, and stars without stopping, like ghosts moving through glass. Each one is ancient, born in the early universe, traveling quietly since time began. Though invisible, they are with us always, bathing our planet in a gentle, undetectable rain. Their presence links you to galaxies beyond sight, connecting every living being to the silent framework of the cosmos. It's humbling to realize that we live not apart from the universe's mystery, but within it. That the darkness we seek to understand flows through us already. You are, in every sense, part of the unseen, a being made of light, floating in an ocean of shadow. Fact 72. The galaxy's invisible embrace. Our Milky Way is wrapped in a vast cocoon of dark matter, an invisible halo stretching hundreds of thousands of light years beyond the stars we see. This halo cradles our galaxy like soft, unseen arms, holding it together through gravity's tender pull. Every star that rises, every orbit that endures, owes its balance to this embrace. Without it, the galaxy would scatter, its spirals unraveling into the void. But dark matter's quiet gravity keeps us safe, steady, whole. It is the unseen boundary between chaos and order, the gentle weight that keeps the cosmos coherent. And though it never glows, it glimmers in meaning, a reminder that even what we cannot see can still protect, still hold, still love in its own silent way. Fact 73. How we orbit within the unseen. Our solar system moves not just through starlight, but through the gravity of the unseen. The Sun, with all its planets, orbits the Milky Way's center once every 230 million years, a vast cosmic journey guided largely by dark matter. Its invisible halo provides the extra gravity that keeps our orbit steady, preventing us from drifting into the cold. Each turn of this galactic path is a silent collaboration between light and darkness. We travel through an unseen sea that shapes our course without ever touching us. Dark matter doesn't push or pull with drama, it simply holds. And so, with each quiet revolution, our world glides through the soft gravity of mystery, forever carried by hands we cannot see. Fact 74. Every star floating in its halo. Every galaxy shines within its own invisible shell of dark matter, a halo so vast that the stars inside are like glowing dust motes caught in sunlight. Each one drifts securely in the gravity of this unseen structure, orbiting as part of a greater whole. The halo acts like a silent guardian, holding the galaxy together as it spins, balancing centrifugal chaos with calm, invisible weight. Even the smallest dwarf galaxies, faint as whispers, have their own dark halos surrounding them. It's a beautiful symmetry. Light suspended in darkness, luminosity finding its place within shadow. Every shining star, every sun that warms a world is a flicker sustained by an invisible frame, proof that the unseen is not the opposite of light, but its quiet companion. Fact 75. The calm protection of gravity. Gravity is the gentlest of all forces, yet the most enduring. It binds galaxies, forms stars, and gives structure to space itself. Dark matter magnifies this gift, spreading its unseen gravity across the universe like a soft, protective field. It does not command, it guides. It doesn't consume, it connects. Through its calm pull, it shelters galaxies from tearing apart, giving them time to evolve, to breathe, to shine. Every orbit, every cosmic spiral is held in its embrace, and though we cannot feel it on our skin or see it in our skies, we live every moment within its care, a fragile world steadied by invisible balance, held gently in the gravity of peace. Fact 76. Why galaxies don't fly apart. When astronomers first measured how fast galaxies spin, they found something astonishing. They should have torn themselves apart long ago. The outer stars whirl so quickly that visible gravity alone could never hold them, yet they remain intact, their spirals calm and steady. The secret is dark matter. Its invisible mass extends far beyond the stars, binding each galaxy together like a cosmic anchor. Without it, the night sky would look entirely different. No grand spirals, no graceful clusters, no balance between motion and stillness. Dark matter is the quiet reason for harmony. It keeps creation intact through the simplest of acts, holding. In its unseen strength lies the universe's most delicate order, motion made eternal through silence. Fact 77. The dark that keeps us whole. Dark matter doesn't just hold galaxies together, it holds us together too. Every atom, every star, every drifting planet exists within its invisible gravity. It's the great binder, the unseen thread that keeps the cosmos from unraveling. We are children of light, but also of shadow. Our universe is balanced perfectly between what glows and what does not. That balance allows everything, from atoms to galaxies, to exist in harmony. If dark matter vanished, the stars would scatter like sparks in a wind, and the story of the universe would lose its shape. But it endures, quiet, constant, unseen. the darkness that gives meaning to light, the stillness that lets motion exist, the silence that keeps us whole. Fact 78. Earth's journey through the shadow sea. Our planet is not stationary. It sails through a cosmic ocean of darkness. As Earth orbits the Sun, and the Sun circles the Milky Way, we drift through currents of dark matter flowing unseen around us. Each second, trillions of particles pass through our bodies, through oceans and clouds, through the heart of the world itself. We cannot feel them, yet they travel with us, eternal companions on our endless voyage. This river of darkness doesn't harm or hinder. It simply flows, ancient and patient. We are travelers inside a shadow sea, guided by gravity's soft rhythm. Every sunrise, every night sky unfolds within its calm. And though we cannot see it, dark matter is always there, a silent tide carrying our world through the stars. Fact 79. The daily drift of invisible particles. Every day, as Earth turns and moves through space, we drift through waves of dark matter. Though imperceptible, this cosmic tide surrounds us, flowing gently through oceans, mountains, and the air we breathe. Each rotation carries us deeper into the galaxy's hidden halo, a journey both endless and silent. In the deepest laboratories, scientists track the Earth's movement with precision, searching for the faintest seasonal rhythm, the tiny rise and fall of dark matter's passing tide. It is a dance we take part in without knowing, a rhythm older than time itself. While we sleep, the universe continues its quiet drift. The stars above us shimmer in visible light, but beneath it all, invisible currents carry everything we are. Fact 80. The gentle weight of the unknown. Dark matter is not heavy in the way we imagine. It is everywhere, spread thin across the cosmos, soft as a whisper. Yet its collective mass outweighs all the stars, planets, and dust combined. It is the gentle weight that anchors creation, the quiet substance of stability itself. Its gravity holds galaxies steady, turns chaos into form, and ensures that everything remains where it belongs. We owe the shape of the universe to this unseen mass, patient, invisible, and enduring. Sometimes, what holds the most power is what never seeks attention. Dark matter doesn't shine, roar, or burn. It simply is, the calm beneath every movement, the silent assurance that the cosmos will not fall apart. It is the weight of peace, scattered among the stars. Fact 81. Could we ever detect it directly? For all our progress, dark matter remains an untouchable mystery. Every detector, every telescope, every theory reaches for something that refuses to be seen. And yet, hope persists. That one day, a faint signal will pierce the silence. Maybe it will come from deep beneath a mountain, or from a particle collider, or from a sudden flicker of light in the dark. A single detection would confirm what gravity has whispered for decades, that the unseen is real. Scientists continue their patient vigil, guided by curiosity and wonder. They know discovery may take centuries, but they search anyway, because in the soft hum of the unknown, they hear the promise of connection, the universe slowly revealing its hidden heart. Fact 82. The dreams of particle physicists. In quiet laboratories across the world, particle physicists chase a dream to touch the untouchable. They build vast machines, colder than space and more precise than timepieces, all to glimpse a single dark matter particle. Each experiment is an act of faith in the unseen, a belief that patience and wonder can reveal the universe's secrets. Some dream of finding WIMPs, others of axions or hidden fields, but all share the same devotion, listening to silence. Their work is a dialogue with the cosmos, slow and humble. They ask softly, "What are you made of?" And perhaps one day the universe will answer, not with light, but with the faintest vibration, a small shimmer of truth in the dark. Fact 83. Cosmic rays and hidden traces. From deep space, high-energy particles called cosmic rays constantly strike Earth's atmosphere. Some scientists believe they might hold clues to dark matter, for when dark matter particles collide, they could create faint bursts of gamma rays or subtle imbalances in cosmic radiation. Satellites like Fermi and detectors on the International Space Station watch for these elusive signatures, searching for patterns amid the noise of the cosmos. It's like watching raindrops on an ocean, looking for one drop that falls differently. Rare, but possible. Each trace, each flash, could be a glimpse into the invisible framework of the universe. And even if they find nothing, the search itself reminds us that wonder is not measured by results, but by the quiet courage to keep asking the sky questions. Fact 84. Simulating the invisible. In supercomputers, scientists recreate the birth and growth of the universe. They feed equations into vast digital models, letting gravity and time evolve across billions of virtual years. These simulations reveal something breathtaking: galaxies forming exactly as they do in reality, guided by invisible dark matter. Through data, they watch the unseen take shape: filaments stretching, clusters merging, stars settling into spiral arms. It's a way to see what light cannot show: the universe's bones beneath its skin. Each simulation is both a map and a meditation, a quiet reminder that the cosmos follows laws far older than we are. Even within code and numbers, the same truth shines through. Darkness, not light, is the artist of creation. Fact 85. What future telescopes may reveal. In the next decades, new telescopes will peer deeper into the universe than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope has already begun to unveil ancient galaxies wrapped in the shadows of dark matter. Future missions, like Euclid and the Nancy Grace Roman Telescope, will map how dark matter sculpts the universe across billions of years. By observing how light bends, shifts, and fades, these eyes of glass will trace the footprints of the invisible. They won't see dark matter directly, but they will sense its weight in every distortion of space. With each image, we'll glimpse the quiet architecture of creation, the unseen scaffolding holding galaxies in their delicate balance. Through light, we will finally begin to understand the dark. Fact 86. Artificial intelligence in the search. Even machines have joined the quest for the invisible. Artificial intelligence now helps astronomers comb through oceans of data, searching for subtle patterns no human could detect. It studies how galaxies bend light, how cosmic rays behave, how dark matter might flow like invisible wind between the stars. These digital minds learn not from brightness, but from absence, finding meaning in the spaces where light is missing. With each refined algorithm, they bring us closer to mapping the unseen cosmos, turning silence into information and emptiness into understanding. Perhaps one day, an AI will be the first to notice the signature of a dark matter particle, a discovery born not from sight, but from the mathematics of mystery. Even machines, it seems, are learning to dream of the dark. Fact 87. Dark matter in the early universe. When the universe was young, just a few 100,000 years old, dark matter had already taken its place. While ordinary matter was busy glowing, cooling, and forming atoms, dark matter moved undisturbed, shaping the first scaffolds of gravity. Its silent framework guided the flow of energy, deciding where galaxies would one day form. We can still see its fingerprints in the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of creation that carries subtle ripples caused by its presence. In those ripples, we read the story of how darkness shaped the dawn. Even in the universe's earliest breath, dark matter was already there, a steady pulse beneath the brilliance of birth, holding the rhythm that would become everything we know. Fact 88. What if it's not matter at all? Some scientists dare to ask, what if dark matter isn't matter at all? What if the mystery we've been chasing is something entirely different, a new property of space, or a hidden rhythm of gravity itself? Perhaps the equations we use are only shadows of a deeper truth. In this view, dark matter might not be particles, but geometry, the shape of space-time, bending more subtly than we can measure. It may not exist within the universe, but as part of its structure. If that's true, then what we call dark matter is not an object, but a consequence, a whisper from the universe's own architecture, reminding us that reality still hides behind its own horizon of mystery. Fact 89. The poetry of the unseen. Dark matter has inspired not just science, but art, philosophy, and wonder. It is the perfect metaphor for everything vast and unknowable, the spaces between stars, thoughts, and dreams. Poets speak of it as the universe's soul, the quiet pulse beneath existence. Physicists call it structure, but in truth it feels more like grace. It teaches us that mystery is not emptiness, it's potential, that the things we can't see may still shape our lives profoundly. Just as dark matter holds galaxies, perhaps the unseen within us, love, thought, imagination, holds our own small worlds together. In its silence, we find meaning. In its invisibility, beauty. Dark matter is science's most elegant reminder that wonder is real, even when hidden from sight. Fact 90. Learning to love the unknown. Dark matter reminds us that not everything needs to be solved to be beautiful. We are surrounded by mysteries that comfort as much as they confuse. The cosmos doesn't rush to explain itself. It simply is. To love the unknown is to live in harmony with curiosity, to gaze into the night sky and feel awe, not frustration. Dark matter is a lesson in humility, in patience, in peace with uncertainty. It holds galaxies, yes, but it also holds a mirror to our minds. It shows us that understanding is not the only kind of knowing. Sometimes, wonder itself is enough. And as we drift beneath its silent gravity, we too become part of the great mystery, living light, cradled gently within the dark. Fact 91. The universe's secret balance. The cosmos is a story of opposites held in perfect harmony, light and darkness, motion and stillness, presence and void. Dark matter is the quiet counterweight to all that glows. It provides the gravity that balances creation, ensuring that brightness doesn't scatter into chaos. Every star, every world, every cluster of galaxies exists because of this delicate equilibrium. The unseen supports the seen. The silence gives meaning to the song. It's a cosmic truth reflected in life itself, that what we cannot see often steadies what we can. Dark matter is the universe's subtle hand on the scale, the calm that keeps everything from tipping into nothingness. Without it, light would be lonely, forever searching for something to hold. Fact 92. The beauty of mystery. Not every mystery demands an answer. Some are meant to be experienced, not solved, to remind us that wonder still exists, beyond the edges of knowledge. Dark matter is such a mystery, vast, patient, and endlessly kind to those who ponder it. Its beauty lies not in clarity, but in the questions it inspires. Every observation, every failed experiment, every theory written in starlight adds another verse to the poem of the unknown. It invites us to marvel, not at certainty, but at curiosity itself. Like the night sky, dark matter teaches that the unknown is not frightening. It's generous. It gives our search for meaning a horizon, and our hearts a place to rest among the stars. Fact 93. The science of wonder. Science and wonder are not opposites. They are siblings, walking hand in hand through the universe. To study dark matter is to practice both at once, logic guided by awe and curiosity anchored in calm. It reminds us that discovery begins not with proof, but with wonder. Every telescope pointed upward is an act of hope. Every equation written in the dark is a small prayer for understanding. And though dark matter hides from our senses, it rewards us with something greater, perspective. It shows us that the unknown is not a wall, but a window. Through it, we see how vast creation truly is, and how beautiful it can be to keep asking, gently, forever. Fact 94. Invisible, yet indispensable. The stars may claim the spotlight, but it's dark matter that holds the stage together. Without it, galaxies would unravel, planets would wander, and light itself would lose its path. It asks for no recognition, yet nothing would exist in order without it. Its gravity ties the universe into form, a silent structure holding brilliance in its grasp. Invisible, yet indispensable, it's the quiet friend of every glowing thing. Like the pause between notes in a song, it gives shape to what's heard. Dark matter is the background against which the universe paints its story. And though we may never see it directly, its importance is written in every orbit, every beam of starlight, every breath of balance that keeps the cosmos whole. Fact 95. Darkness that creates light. It seems paradoxical that darkness gives birth to light, yet every glowing star, every radiant galaxy owes its existence to the invisible gravity of dark matter. It gathered the first atoms, shaped the first clusters, and gave the universe a reason to shine. Without it, light would have nowhere to form, no anchor to hold, no balance to bloom against. Dark matter's quiet strength built the stage for brilliance, a reminder that illumination is not the absence of darkness, but its gift. The stars sparkle because something unseen holds them steady. And so, when we look into the night sky, we are witnessing a harmony older than time, a love song between shadow and shine, forever entwined in the fabric of creation. Fact 96. The patience of discovery. Dark matter has tested humanity's patience for nearly a century. We have searched, measured, and imagined, and still it hides beyond our grasp. But in that waiting, something profound has bloomed: perseverance. Each generation of scientists continues the search not for fame, but for truth. They know that discovery unfolds slowly, as the universe itself once did. And so they keep listening, refining, hoping, knowing that even silence teaches. Perhaps dark matter withholds its secrets not out of defiance, but to remind us that understanding takes time, that curiosity is its own kind of light. Through patience, we've already gained something extraordinary, a deeper sense of wonder for the universe that still keeps its mysteries safe. Fact 97. A universe still half hidden. For all our progress, we still see less than half of reality. Everything we know, stars, planets, people, light, makes up only a small fraction of the cosmos. The rest remains unseen. Dark matter and dark energy, the invisible heart of existence. It's humbling to realize that we live inside a universe still mostly hidden from us. But perhaps that's what makes it so beautiful. The balance between known and unknown, between clarity and mystery. The darkness isn't a void, it's an invitation. Each discovery brings us closer, yet the veil always moves just ahead. And maybe that's the gift, that we will never run out of wonder. The cosmos hides half of itself, so we will always keep looking up. Fact 98. The elegance of not knowing. In a world that hungers for certainty, dark matter offers something gentler, the elegance of not knowing. It reminds us that mystery has value, that the unanswered question can be as comforting as the truth. Our minds reach into the void not to conquer it, but to understand our place within it. Every mystery, every uncharted idea expands the space for awe. The universe keeps its secrets not to taunt us, but to teach us humility, to let us feel small, yet connected to something vast. There is beauty in the incomplete, in the horizon just beyond reach. Not knowing keeps us curious, and curiosity, like gravity, holds us to the stars. Fact 99. The comfort of cosmic mystery. There's a special kind of peace in knowing that some questions will never be fully answered. Dark matter is one of them. An eternal mystery, vast and patient. Its presence is a quiet reassurance that the universe still holds wonder beyond measure. In its silence, we find reflection, that not every mystery needs solving, that awe itself can be enough. Just as galaxies find balance in darkness, perhaps we too need the unknown to stay grounded in wonder. When we look at the night sky, we are looking not into emptiness, but into possibility, an infinite field of maybe. The comfort of cosmic mystery is simple. It means there is always more to learn, always more to dream. Fact 100. Stillness beyond sight. In the end, dark matter reminds us that the greatest forces are often the quietest ones. It does not glow, shout, or rush. It simply is. Invisible, patient, and eternal, it binds galaxies, steadies the stars, and cradles the light of creation. Its stillness is not emptiness, it is purpose. Through its calm gravity, the universe finds order, balance, and grace. And perhaps that is its truest lesson, that strength can exist without noise, and beauty can live in the spaces we cannot see. Dark matter is the quiet heart of the cosmos, an unseen rhythm, forever pulsing beneath the glow of everything that shines. And as our journey comes to a gentle close, I hope you found a bit of calm among the stars tonight. If you enjoyed drifting through these sleepy facts, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share what topic you'd love to fall asleep to next. When you're ready to keep dreaming, tap the end screen to watch the next Sleepy Astronaut video and continue your quiet voyage through the universe. Until then, may your thoughts be weightless, your dreams luminous, and your heart as still as the space between the stars. Sweet dreams.